Hi, babe.
Hi.
What's your name?
Everley.
And what are we going to do today?
Play-Doh.
Oh, wow. You got a lot of colors over here. What
Yeah.
colors do you have?
Brown.
Ooh.
Green. Yellow. Green. Orange. Yellow.
Ooh, what do you got over here?
Sweet all the things.
Ice cream?
Yes, and I got the sprinkle things and squeeze this with my dad told me. And I just got these to make sprinkles, these to make ice cream, to make stuff to make.
Ooh, can you pick a color? What color's that?
Yeah!
Let's see, hold it up. Yellow. What are you making?
Ice cream.
You are? You getting it ready for ice cream?
Yes!
Ooh, that's a pretty color.
And I just made ice cream right here.
Oh yeah. What's your favorite color? Oh, you like white?
That's my favorite whole room. And what's your favorite color, guys?
I like this color. I don't know. I like blue a lot too. Blue's my favorite color.
And then what's Mommy's favorite color?
I don't know. We're gonna have to ask her, baby. Now, what color are you gonna get? Ooh, what color is that?
Brown.
Nice. Daddy to help you. Nice. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, there it is. Let me see it. Ooh, what color?
It's brown.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That looks like chocolate.
Yeah. Wait for it, watermelon.
That looks delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate cake, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ow. I cut myself.
Okay, it's plastic, baby. What's your next color you're gonna pick for your ice cream? What color is that?
Right. Thank you.
Hold it up, let me see it. It's a pretty color too. What color is that?
Wait,
Oh
my
yeah.
favorite color.
Oh, yeah. Smash it. Smash it. Smash, 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 smash.
Oh,
Hulk smash.
Hulk.
Oh yeah, you're strong. Let me see your muscles.
Hulk smash.
Let me see, go. Smash again. What is that?
The trailer for the guys.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, smash it.
Okay, you gotta pick another color. That's a good color. What color is it gonna be? Oh.
It's like a castle.
That's a nice color.
It looks like blue ice cream, guys.
It does.
But this makes like match ice cream.
It does?
Yes.
Okay, that's gonna look pretty when you mix them all together in here. And then you smash it all with this. It's all gonna come out of this one, huh?
Yeah.
Into there, into your cup, and then you could put your sundae. Look it. This is your cherry sundae topping, and then you have chocolate too. Ooh.
Nothing is going on with that. Smash it.
pick another color. What is it?
My favorite color is green.
Oh.
Green, that's my favorite color.
That's okay. You can just add it to it over here. You can go. I'm sorry. There. What? Smash.
Oh, it's green.
Oh no, that's a nice color.
The TV for
Was that you?
I'm from the video. I'm sorry, because I'm from the video.
Oh yeah. Alright. Guess what? You get to pick one more color and then you can talk. I know. What color is it? A green taco?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, one last color. What are you gonna pick? What color is that?
Okay.
It's like your shirt, huh?
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice shirt too. What is that?
It's pink. I can't do a color with this.
Oh, on your shirt. What is that?
It's pink. My favorite color.
No, this right here. Let me see the animal that's right here.
Wait, I think you can do a quaddy. Wait. Yeah!
Yeah. Oh, you're strong.
Hulk smash!
Looks like a heart. You made a heart. Oh, wow. That's pretty.
Daddy smelled it. I missed it the heart. I'm sorry.
Okay, now take a little piece of the pink and put it right here. Take a piece of the white. Same size as this piece. Get a piece like that big. Oh, now put it right here. Okay. Now you can get maybe some brown, huh? Okay, now take a piece out, make it like this, another size like this, same size. Okay. Yep, just the same as this one. Put it right here in the middle. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, now you can put them together like this. Okay, pick it up and put it inside of there. Okay, let's see. I'll help you. Okay. Let's see. All right, hold on. I think you need this one. Okay, go for it. Here goes your sundae. Squeeze hard. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, wow. What colors are in there?
Red, pink.
Ooh, that looks good. Okay, let me see. Pull your sundae out. Let me see it. Pull like this. Oh, wow. No. You can go like this. Look. Okay, you can put a little bit of chocolate on there. A little bit of chocolate. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. Now open the cherry one. delicious. Let me help you. Give you a hand wash. Like this, look. Here you go. Put some cherry on there. Ooh. Oh, that looks delicious. You want to make some sprinkles for it?
Yes.
Okay. And roll it up. Really nice. Smash it all together. Then you can put it inside of this one. Yep. Go ahead, smash it. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, so now what you do is you take this and you cut your sprinkles off like that. Here.
Okay.
Go for it. Okay, turn it. Turn it like this. There you go. Cut some more sprinkles off. Yep. Some of your sprinkles and put them on your ice cream. Ooh.
This
Looks like a really good sundae right there, honey. Good job. High five. High five. Oh, whoops, I'm sorry. High five. High five. High five. Oh, what? High five. High five. Oh, sorry. High five again. What? Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Good job. Here you go. What's this? Mmm. That looks delicious. Hold it like that. There you go. You did such a great job, honey.
You go, eat it. Subscribe my channel, guys. I love you.
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. See you next time.
My name's Everley.
My name is Everley.
I'll
And
see you next time.
see you next time. Chocolate Sundae. So what? Can I say something? I'm making chocolate sundae again.